In this video, I'll show you how to remove write protection from a USB drive. Firstly, insert the USB drive into your computer. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog and type disk part. If prompted by user control, click Yes to allow the app to make changes. At the disk part prompt, type list disk and press enter. Locate your USB drive in the list by checking the size column. Note the disk number associated with your USB drive. Now, type select disk X. Replace X with your USB drive's disk number and press enter. Type now attributes disk clear read only and press enter. You should see a message confirming that the write protection has been removed. Now, type exit and press enter to close the disk part tool. Your USB drive should now be free of write protection, allowing you to modify files as needed. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.